Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the topic of discipline and how to become more disciplined. In this fast-paced world, it can be tough to stick to your goals and be consistent in your actions. But with a little bit of effort and determination, anyone can become more disciplined and achieve their aspirations. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tips and tricks of becoming more disciplined. Tip 1. Define your goals. The first step to becoming more disciplined is to define your goals. What is it that you want to achieve? Whether it's losing weight, learning a new skill, or being more productive, having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused and motivated. Write your goals down, and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will help you track your progress and stay on track. Tip 2. Create a routine. Routines are key to discipline. When you have a routine, you know what to expect and you can easily make time for the things that matter most. Create a routine that works for you, and stick to it. This could mean waking up at the same time every day, taking breaks at the same time, or dedicating a certain amount of time each day to working on your goals. Tip 3. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are the enemy of discipline. To be more disciplined, you need to eliminate distractions and focus on what's important. This could mean turning off your phone, closing your email, or finding a quiet place to work. Whatever it takes, get rid of the things that are holding you back. Tip 4. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is crucial to being disciplined. Reward yourself when you reach your goals, and remind yourself why you're working towards them in the first place. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who will encourage you and keep you accountable. And when things get tough, remember that discipline is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one day at a time and stay focused on your end goal. And that's it. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming more disciplined and achieving your goals. Remember, discipline takes time and effort, but the results are well worth it. So, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.